Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So let me first of all tell you the menu. So this is a custom menu where you can list off all of your files from your Google Drive by clicking this button. As soon as you will click this button, it will start listing the files available on your Google Drive directly. Once once you are done that, then it comes the second part, which is the shared file with you. But in your case, I can see that there is only one main folder and there are so many subfolder, and then each subfolder has many files. So keeping in mind all of these things, let me try explaining that the shared drive inventory and getting pulling the file and their details is a bit slow process, and having the subfolders and subfolders within subfolders are more slow. So uh, keeping in mind that that the Google Sheet app script has the limitation of 6 minute running. If you have a professional, if you have an organizational account, then you can run it more than 6 minutes. Otherwise, if you are using a free account, which I suppose that you are, so it will not run more than 6 minutes. So we have to split uh, the processing of all the files for every 6 minutes. So currently, as you can see, I have ran it and I have more than 5,000 files. No, I have more than 3,403 files in my shared drive. Sorry, not my shared drive, in shared with me. So what I've done, you have to do these two process. This is for the Google Drive only, and this is for the shared folder. Once you will click it, this will generate the list of the files directly shared with you and the folders link. And then you have to activate it only one time. The activation or one time authorization. So you have to click this only one time and never again. So what it will do, um, as soon as you will list the folders and there will be empty folders here, we show you which are mentioned here. So once the folder is processed, it will be status as processed. You can see this is currently 0. If I'll delete this, well, this value, you will see, oh, now there is one folder to be processed. And as I have already activated the code, and once you will be activating the code, it will ask you for the authorization one more time. So as I have already activated the code, what it will do, it will start working on it every 10 minutes, and it will find, okay, there is a folder which has not been processed, status is not processed, the rest of the folders are processed already, and the files are being spitted out at the bottom. So for this one, this is not processed, so what it will do, it will start working on it, and it will take the files and subfiles and subfolders and spit out on the under the last available entry on this sheet. Yes, so that's it. So let me repeat the process one more time. First of all, you have to activate the code only one time. Maybe first time you need to run this one, because once you will run this, it will ask you for the authorization and it won't work. So you have to click this again, right? Once you have done it, you can go to the you can go to this button and activate the code, right? And then go for the list of shared folder. I think it's confusing a bit. So, okay, so just to make sure that the code is being authorized and you are not repeating this process again and again, because this is only one time thing. Click on this, gu- click on the generate files of the list from your Google Drive. Click it and see if the file gets start working or not. If not, then go back and click the link again, and it will start working on it. Once this is complete, click on this list shared folders, right? And let it spit out the rest of the shared files and folder links on this. Once these two are done, you have to click on on this menu only one time, never again. Never again. Whenever you are opening the file, you don't need to do this again and again, just only one time. Just click this and then rest. What it will do, it will check how many folders are there, and to be processed, let me delete more. So if I'll delete all of these processed, you can see the number will increase here. So this number will identify, this code will identify if there are 5 folders to be processed, it will come here. It will find out the folder and it will go inside the folder and it will process each and every folder. There are more controls I have already added that I don't think so those will be necessary for you to understand, but this will work. This will work for you because you have so many files and so many subfolders in your folder, main folder. So, and that cannot be completed within 6 minutes of Google Sheet time. So this is why I have split it. So please run it and let me know your review on it. Looking forward to hear from you again. Thank you.